Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we are back doing Main Street Mail. Oh, I gave it away. Here it is. Well, I guess I didn't give it away because you already knew from the thumbnail, right? Alright, Main Street Mail. This is October's box. I know, it's way past October. I'm trying. Very cool looking box. And that is coming up right now. Alright, so our October box. This is the Castle Correspondent, which is $100 plus shipping. Well, let's get into it. Ready? Paper garland. What do we got going on here? What? Happy Haunts season. Ooh. Look at that! They're so crafty. Alright. That's a cool way to start. It was in a little envelope here, and there's a little note that says, "Paper garland, do not rip." They know me. I'm kind of dumb. What's this? Alright, here is the spoiler sheet. And here... Did they really draw that? They put these drawings in here and they're really good. It's Mike Wazowski. Chris, we hope you love your Halloween box. Everything is taped to protect your wreath, so you'll need scissors. Not a dull knife. Happy Halloween, Main Street Mail. Man, that's really cool. He's got a scar across his eye. Okay. My lovely assistant, thank you. I have dull scissors. Alright. Let's see, what do we have here? Destination Vacation Design. It looks to be 3D printed. Oh, it's the Hatbox Ghost. Let me get this out of here. So it looks like it's a... Either you could put it on a straw or on the top of a pencil because the hole goes all the way through, but it's the Hatbox Ghost and it's 3D printed. And I think this might be the same company that we got our Haunted Mansion trash can from. I love that thing. So that's cool. So that is Destination Vacation Design Studio at Destination Vacation Design on Instagram. So check them out. Oh yeah, there's a picture of something with a straw through it. It's the shell from Little Mermaid. And yeah, so you put this through a straw, and then you got your little Hatbox Ghost. Nice. All right. Next, it's pretty heavy. Looks like a taco. Oh, this is so cool. So this is the Haunted Mansion sign, and it's got a holder hanging on the wall. So the last time we went to Disneyland in February, I bought the really big one. I think I still have a picture of it in my computer. If I do, it's gonna go boop right here. So I have that one in the living room, and now I've got another one I can hang somewhere else. That is really cool. I love that sign. I'll throw that in the photo box so you can check out the detail in it. Boop. Love it. You know what? This whole time, I've got all this confetti here. There's an awful lot of confetti in here. And it's really cool colors. It is all taped together. I gotta be careful. Alright. Let's see what this is. So there's a ton of stuff in there. So this is from the Best Box Ever Bakery. And it is a little Mickey cookie cutter. Nice. And then the next thing was another straw. So this is 3D printed from the same company as the Hatbox Ghost. Drop it. So you put... How does this work? Does it go on top? Yeah, it goes on top. So you put the straw through the pumpkin and the straw through Minnie's bow, and you have a mini jack-o'-lantern straw. Very cute. And then there's also... We've got a Gracie Manor keychain that's purple and matches our car. You're Pretty Rad, Audrey and Stone. That's cool. I'm gonna put all these together in the photo box on the turntable when I get through this. So I'm gonna put these, so this one, and there's still more that was in that bag. So this is a button, Welcome Foolish Mortals, and it's got a really cool looking picture of Mickey and Minnie dressed up for Haunted Mansion. I don't know that this is from the park. It's a little edgier. It's really cool. I like that. I'll throw that on the turntable with the other pieces at the end. And one more thing from that bag. And this is a Mickey Premium Bar magnet. And this is from Disney. Mickey Apple Candy, it says. So I got lots of little doodads in that bag. That's really cool. So now I'll throw all of them on the turntable and throw them up, boop, so you can check them out. And then... She's right. I'm gonna need a scissor. Boop, 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 boop. And then we've got a candle. It smells really good, and it's got Mickey's face on the front of it, but it's etched in the glass, so I don't know if that's gonna show up in the photo box or not. But I will throw it on the photo box so you can check it out. Boop. Very cool stuff. Alright, and now I've got to cut this out of here. Let's... Hey, we're not messing around. What is this? Ready? It's crazy. So it's a Halloween decoration wreath. We've got Maleficent, the Poison Apple. We've got a crow on here from the Haunted Mansion. That's really cool. Oh, there's another crow up there. And it stayed in one piece, so taping it in there worked. Very cool. Throw that in the photo box. Boop. Alright, so let's take a look at the spoiler sheet. Alright, I'll throw this up on the... Boop. Wreath, 35. Candle, 15. Cup topper, $5.97. Button, $4. Door plaque, $21. Door garland, $12. Keychain, $9. Cookie cutter, $5. Snack magnet, $8. $114.97. So again, this is their Castle Correspondent box at $100 plus shipping, and total value $115. Very nice. Alright, so, I can't even hang much of this up until next year because I had to wait too long because I was sick. But, Haunted Mansion sign's going up. I don't care. If you would like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, we'd really appreciate it. Click the button right here. Hope you're having a great day.